I was thinking something and I came across this idea that most of the students struggle with mathematics. Then I thought that what is the reason behind it? Why most of the students struggle with mathematics? Then I came to the conclusion that most of the students struggle with mathematics because of overemphasizing on calculation part. Let me explain what I mean by that. Mathematics, professors, a lot of professors and someone who teaches mathematics, they emphasize on calculation part. Let me give you an example. There is a system and you study the system and put them in one equation, and then you solve the equation and come to the conclusion. This is simple mathematics. So what teachers do is they don't emphasize the first part. The first part is to understand the system and put them in one equation. That is the very important part. They don't emphasize this. What they do is they focus on equation to result. This part, this between part, they focus on that. That's why most people struggle with this mathematics. Actually, mathematics should be to understand some system, something, real world problem, and solve it. Writing the equation is very important. Solving it and coming to the conclusion is not that much important as writing the equation. It's important, obviously, and you will learn solving the equation and coming to the conclusion by practicing. But the most important thing, if you want to learn mathematics, is understanding the system and putting them in simple form or in equation, whatever. Then the solving the equation is not that big deal. If you practice enough, you will be able to solve it. But if you are not able to solve it, that's also fine. If you can understand a system and put it in one equation, that will be more than enough to understand mathematics. If you want to solve it, it's your choice, but you should be able to understand that first system and then put it into an equation. That is a very fundamental thing that everyone who wants to learn mathematics should understand this first. But what teachers do is they skip that part, or they just minimize the length and the weightage of that part, and they focus on this calculation part, which is not a very good way of teaching. So yeah, thank you. Bye bye.